Guys, Suzuki APV. There's an engine vibration. There's an engine shaking. So I need to check this coil. There's no coil electrics or no supply. This one is good. So the problem of this car is a one coil only. There's no electric, so I need to replace this one coil. There's an engine shaking. So guys, replace this one coil. Just remove, this is a defective coil. Just replace. And this one coil is good. Here's the new coil, guys. It's an original from Suzuki. And now it's installed. Now after installing the coil, let's start the car. And check the supply. Now it's good. The engine vibration is gone.